think maybe, yeah, maybe. Maybe not. Yeah, he's on there. It's we're out of Mosquito. It's first week in October, and it's been really slow so far this morning. It's almost 9 o'clock. I started fishing at 7. This is only the second bite I've had. First one came off, but we're dragging. Ooh, we came up top of the water there. We're dragging along here. I started out kind of shallow. I'm down in the deep part. That's where I've had the 2 bites. So probably gonna stick with that. Get him up here and see how big he is. I'm just glad to finally get the skunk out of the boat. Yeah, he's not real big, but I'll take him. Yeah, he's not a bad fish. Caught him on chicken. Not too bad. Not a big one, but we'll take him. All right, let him go. Might have got another one here. Yeah. Kind of funny, it's been a slow morning. Now all of a sudden, seems like we're getting into some fish. Or they turned on. I've been, Fish Finder's been showing a lot of fish. And some of which I think were catfish, the way they look down on the bottom, but for whatever reason, they sure weren't biting this morning. All the bites we've had been on chicken. I got one rod that has bluegill out. This one might be a little better fish. Yeah, not too bad. Yeah, it's not a bad one. That's a little better than the first one. There we go. Not too bad. We'll let him go. I'm gonna reel this in. I think that fish is on there. This planer board's way up in the water. Came way far forward. I think there's a fish on here. Yeah, he's on there. He just swam with it. That was the problem. He'd been hitting it for a little bit, but I didn't think he got hooked up. Yes, he did. Still making our way along here in the deep water. The wind's really up today. Might not be able to tell with the GoPro. It kind of keeps filters a lot of that out. It's actually not a bad fish. I figured it was going to be a small one. So easy. There we go. I believe we got another one on. Maybe. Yeah, he's still on there. Still just making our way down along. Water temp today, at least surface water temp's like 68, 69 degrees. Depending upon where it's been. Cool weather this week. That'll probably continue to drop some, but the fish have definitely been down in this deeper water. I don't think this one's got much size to him. Doesn't feel like it anyway. Sure feisty. Oop, quick release. He gone. One trouble whenever you leader them up like that, sometimes you lose them. But on a small fish, when I'm not in the tournament, I don't really worry about it too much. So anyway, gonna get baited back up, see if we can get another one. All right, folks, I'm gonna wrap things up. We did catch a few fish today. Kind of a slow day, a real slow start to the morning, but still wasn't too bad a day in October here. Cold morning, really windy. So I'm going to wrap things up here. Want to go back, I might get a nap, and then I'm gonna go sit with my son in the deer stand tonight. So hopefully maybe we can get footage of killing another buck. So we'll see what happens. So anyway, gonna wrap things up and catch you next time.